tool, Magic tool, and quick selection tool. There are many selection tools available. Whenever we select the selection tool, Marquee tool, first tool that we are going to learn, that is your Marquee tool. Marquee tool, this is the first tool. You can see my pointer. Okay, there is a small arrow at the bottom. Okay, if you click on here, you will get rectangular Marquee, elliptical Marquee, single row Marquee, and single column Marquee. 4 types of Marquee tool. You can note down that also. First of all, name of the selection tools. They are Marquee tool, lasso tool, magic wand tool, quick selection tool, then there are 4 types of Marquee tools. If you are not able to click on this small arrow, you can right click also. It will simply open the further options of that tool, because every tool is having a further hidden tools in that. हर एक टूल के साथ अंदर hidden tools हैं. You can right click on it or you can click on the small arrow. It will display a list of the tools. Now here we are having rectangular Marquee, elliptical Marquee, single row Marquee, and single column Marquee. Whenever we click on rectangular Marquee tool, that will allow you to select the rectangular part of the image, rectangular or circular part of the image. Like I'm going to drag it here. This is the elliptical Marquee, right? If I click on this, I select the rectangular. This is your rectangular Marquee tool. Okay? You can select the circular or rectangular part. Now, as you can see, I can use it on any picture also. Suppose I'm having this picture, I can select this part in rectangular. I can delete it or I can use the move tool to move it. Okay? Now you will see a background color is blue. Why there is a blue color? Because in the tools panel, we had selected there are 2 tools. There are foreground color tool and background color tool. Now background color tool is selected as blue. That is why when I move the selected part of the image, the background is filled with the blue color. Okay. If I change the background color before moving or before selecting the picture, then that color will be filled. Okay. Is it first point is clear? First point is clear to everyone? Rectangular Marquee tool or elliptical Marquee tool, they allow you to select the rectangular or square or elliptical or circle part of the image. If I select my elliptical Marquee, it will allow me to select it like this. I can move it. Okay. Is it clear? How you can deselect the selected part. That is also important. How you can deselect the selected part. If I select it, yes, Lakshay.
मैम इलिप्टिकल जो शेप होती है वो क्या करती है?
बेटा सिलेक्शन करती है इन सर्कुलर फॉर्म और इन इलिप्टिकल फॉर्म.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है. Marquee tool is basically used to select in a square or rectangular or circular part of the images. But usually we do not need that. Now, important part is how you can deselect it. Write the shortcut keys, beta. How to deselect the selected area? Shortcut key is Control plus D. Control plus D. D for daily. You can deselect the area, selected area, by pressing Control plus D. Okay. Now, when you click on the selection tool, I told you further options are available on this option bar. If I'm going to the new file, blank file, if I select this area, what you can do more with this selected area? Suppose I'm having this selected area, मैंने इतना area select कर लिया, that I want to fill with some color, or that I want to fill with some texture, or you can draw with the brush tool. But you want कि मेरा जो brush tool से मैंने drawing करनी है, that should be inside this area only, it should not be outside. So that you can do by using the selection tool. Suppose I had selected this area, I use the brush tool, simple brush tool. Or you can use the paint bucket tool also, or gradient tool also. Many tools are there which you can use along with the brush tool or along with the selection tool. Okay. Now I had taken the brush tool. My brush pattern is already selected. If I move my mouse pointer, it is going to fill only inside this area. Got it? Select that area and you can fill that area with any type of brush texture, any type of pencil tool, brush tool, texture tool, gradient tool, fill color tool. You can fill that area with the selection, within the selection. Yes. Anji, Harman, Aryan, is it clear, beta? Tisha, Arshia, Khushi, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What you can do with the selection tool?
Ma'am, we can draw.
We can select the tool. We can select the different parts of the picture. Okay? We can delete them. We can move them, or we can fill the area that is selected with any kind of texture. Okay. Now I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to cancel this, undo. Usually we use the undo command in every application. We use the shortcut key Ctrl+Z. Undo. Done. Pressing the Ctrl+D, deselect. Okay. Now in Photoshop, you can undo only one action by pressing the Ctrl+Z. By using the Ctrl+Z shortcut key, you can undo only one command, only one action, last action. But if you want to undo more than one action, what you can do? You can click on Edit menu, step backward. Edit menu, step backward. And the shortcut key is Alt plus Control plus Z. Alt plus Control plus Z. One action can be undo by clicking on Edit menu, undo option, shortcut key Ctrl+Z. If you want to undo more than one action, you can click on Edit menu, step backward, and shortcut key is Alt plus Ctrl+Z. Okay, now I'm going to tell you one more interesting thing. First, when I click on the Mark You tool, suppose I'm taking here a rectangular Mark You. When I select one area and I want to select another area, first area got deselected. But if I want to select more than one area in the same image, so what I can do, right? One, यहाँ option bar में आप देखो, यहाँ पे आपके पास कुछ options हैं. New selection, add to selection, subtract from selection, and intersect with selection. Add to selection, subtract from selection, and intersect selection. If I click on add to selection, now whenever I select, you can see pointer के साथ आपको एक plus sign नजर आ रहा है. नजर आ रहा है सबको plus sign? Now it is adding to the selection. Right? It is adding to the selection. Now, if I want to fill this area, if I want to delete this area, or if I want to move it, I can move it by using the move tool. This is your move tool. If I want to fill this area, I use the paint bucket tool. Suppose I have taken the paint bucket tool, I click here, all the area, selected area will get filled. All the selected area will get filled. Clear? Is it clear? Add to selection. Now, but the problem is whenever I click on selection tool, it is add to selection option is selected now. Now, if I want to deselect it, I have to go to new selection or I have to select further delete from selection. If I select delete from selection, now pointer के साथ देखो minus sign आ रहा है. I select this area. Now what will happen? This area got deselected. You can see the dotted area now. If I click on fill color now, if I fill any another color, suppose I'm taking some color. If I fill this, now this much area is selected. That area has been deselected. Again, I'm doing it again. Now this is the area selected. If I click on deselect, delete from selection. Now, if I select it, what will happen? This area got deselected. If I select it from here, this area got deselected. If I got this area got deselected. Delete from selection. Selected area में से उतना area minus हो गया जितना मैंने अभी दोबारा select किया. That is delete from selection. Similarly, intersect with selection. Now what will happen? See. Only that much area which I had selected, that is selected. Now see, if I click here, जितना area select करूंगी selected area में से, उसके साथ जितना area मेरा intersect कर रहा है, that will be selected. Rest area will be deselected. Again, suppose I'm selecting this much area. Now this area got selected and rest of the area got deselected. Okay? Now there are three options. You will use add to selection and subtract to selection. But it is more beneficial if we use the shortcut key for add to selection and delete from selection. Because whenever we select the button from option bar, we have to go back to the toolbar option bar again to select and deselect the options. Okay? One. Second, I can undo it. Alt plus Control plus Z. That will undo more than one action. Now I click on new selection. Now simple selection tool is there. Okay? Add to selection, you can press the shift key from the keyboard. You can see on the toolbar. Pay attention to the toolbar. Option bar पे ध्यान देखो. New add to selection option is selected. Pointer के साथ plus sign आ रहा है. Because I had pressed my shift key. I'm keep pressing it shift key. मैंने shift key press की हुई है. Selected, 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 and leave the shift key. Now again new selection हो गया. ठीक है? If I press the Alt key, it is delete from selection. Delete from selection. Got it? Any doubt till now? Yes? Guneet, Jasleen, Drishti, any doubt till now? Aryan, Anmol, Samriddhi? Okay. I can select this entire area. I can deselect it by pressing the Control plus T. I can press the shift key to add to selection, Alt key, subtract from selection. Okay? Hanji. Any doubt till now? Only then I will move further. Okay. Now, one more thing you can do with the selection tool. Suppose I'm having this much area. Okay, this is my picture. I want to create some border. मुझे कुछ borders बनाने हैं. ठीक है? तो I'm going to select this area like this. One thing is you can fill this selected area. I told you. But I want कि जितना area मेरा selected है, उसको छोड़ के जो बाकी का area है, that should get selected. And it should be filled. ठीक है? I want कि जितना एरिया मैंने सेलेक्ट कर लिया, इसको छोड़ के बाकी का जो एरिया बचा मेरी पिक्चर में, that should get selected. Sometimes some odd or random selection is there that I can't select. जैसे मुझे मैं सारे बॉर्डर्स चारों सेलेक्ट करना चाहती हूँ, तो मुझे चारों बॉर्डर सेलेक्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. मुझे सिर्फ सेंटर का एरिया सेलेक्ट करना है. And after that, what I will do, I will go to select menu. Inverse selection. Inverse. Shortcut key is shift plus control plus I. These things are not given in your book, beta. Whatever I'm telling you, these things are not given in your book. So please pay attention and write down the keys also. This will help you. Shortcut keys are always quick and very beneficial in any software. किसी भी software में शॉर्टकट कीज हमेशा बेनिफिशियल होती हैं और क्विक होती हैं if you learn them properly and use it regularly. Now what will I'm going to do? Inverse. Now you will see the outside area is selected. I can fill it with one color. I can fill it with some gradient. I'm telling you these tools also, paint bucket and gradient tool. Gradient by default मेरे पास यहाँ when I select the gradient tool, some gradient options are there. I'm not going in detail with that tool because we will do that in detail later on. By default, some gradient is selected. I'm filling it. This gradient is filled outside the border. I'm selecting some another gradient and I'm filling it. So you can fill the gradients in the border, you can fill the single color in the border, or you can use the brush tool, take some pattern in the brush tool, whatever pattern you want. I will tell you this tool also in detail later on. Now you can choose the color and you can fill this pattern only in the border. It will not go any inside the area because it will fill only in the selected area. Got it? Suppose I'm taking some leaves pattern. I'm taking some color. Click on OK. I can have this leaves now. I'm inversing the selection. Now you can fill inside. Got it? Inverse selection समझ आ गया? Okay. Now let's use it with some picture. Suppose I'm having this picture. I'm opening it again. Okay, this is my picture. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill the background its color. मैं मुझे सिर्फ इसको picture को कुछ effects देने हैं. I want to give some effects to this picture. I'm going to select this picture by using the elliptical tool. Any of your picture, आप अपनी भी कोई भी photograph use कर सकते हो. I'm selecting it by using this mark Q tool. I'm moving the selection, adjust the selection properly. Now, I had selected. Now I want कि जो selected area है इसको छोड़ के बाकी का area जो है वहां पे कुछ effect apply करना है. तो what I will do? Tell me what I will do?
Inverse selection.
Inverse selection. What is the shortcut key for inverse selection?
Shift plus control plus I.
Correct. Shift plus control plus I. I selected this. Now inverse selection is done. Otherwise this selection was not possible. Now I'm going here. I'm choosing some black color or gray color here. Click on OK. Okay. Now I'm telling you two more useful shortcut keys. These are also not given in book. One, Alt plus backspace. Alt plus backspace. It is used to fill the foreground color in the selected area. It is used to fill the foreground color in the selected area. Second is Control plus backspace. Control plus backspace. That is used to fill the background color in the selected area. Fill background. Alt plus backspace, fill foreground. Control plus backspace, fill background. Got it? Now I'm pressing Control plus backspace. It is filling the background color. And if I press Alt plus backspace, it is filling the foreground color. Now this is very dull color कि मुझे पूरा वो dark हो गया, मुझे इतना dark color नहीं चाहिए. मुझे कुछ इसको लाइट कलर में फिल करना है, दैट मीन्स कि ट्रांसपेरेंट सा कलर में फिल करना है कुछ इफेक्ट्स के साथ. तो व्हाट आई कैन डू, आई कैन राइट क्लिक ऑन दिस सिलेक्टेड एरिया, चूज feather option, choose feather option. Now I can select the feather radius. Feather radius is 400 pixel by default यहाँ selected है. If your size of the picture is very large, you can have the feather as 500, 400, 600, 300. But if the picture is small in size, then you can have the feather radius a little bit small. Suppose I am taking it 500, click on OK. Now fill the color. I want to fill background, control plus backspace or alt plus backspace. Now you can see feather radius, feather effect apply किया around the radius of the selected area. Selected area के आसपास कुछ effect, feather effect apply हो गए. Okay, is it clear? If I press control plus backspace, it will fill the background color. Background color presently is my blue color, so it will be applied like this. If I press foreground color, so it will be applied like this. And control plus D to deselect the picture. Now you can see any picture, you can give effects by using simply selection tool. कुछ नहीं किया हमने, सिर्फ selection tool को use किया, feather effect apply किया. Simple selection tool को use करो, you can apply the borders, you can make the borders around the image. Clear? Interesting? You can use it in your own photographs now. Okay. हाँ जी, any doubt till now? Shortcut keys note कर ली? Okay, rest of the students beta Shreya, Himalaya, Hardik. Yes, Drishti?
मैम रीसिलेक्ट की शॉर्टकट की बता दो.
Control plus D.
मैम रीसिलेक्ट.
अच्छा, reselect, select menu. Control plus shift plus D.
ओके मैम.
Reselect means कि आपने selected area को deselect कर दिया, but you want to reselect it again, then you can use this reselect option. Or shift plus control plus D.
ओके मैम.
Okay. हाँ जी, first tool is clear everyone. Marquee tool. Next we will move to the lasso tool. Lasso tool. Suppose I am taking suppose this picture I am taking. I am using the lasso tool. Here it is a lasso tool. Second, below the marquee tool. Lasso tool is again of 3 types. Lasso tool, simple, polygonal, magnetic. Lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool. Now, simple lasso tool, that is freehand selection. Freehand, I'm selecting it like this. This is your freehand selection. Okay, this is your freehand selection. Now I can move it by using the move tool. I can make a duplicate copy of it. Copy paste कर सकते हैं, control plus C, control paste, control plus V. Now you can see there is a duplicate copy. Selection tool के बाद you can use the copy it also, selected area you can copy also. Now in the layers panel you will see, layers panel you will see 2 layers now, background layer and layer 1. Background layer, that is this layer, layer 1, this is on layer 1. Okay, if I delete this layer, okay, I can delete this layer, so that area will be deleted. Okay, ji? Clear? Lasso tool clear? Okay, I forgot to tell you one more thing. In your book, there is an option file menu, new open option, and file menu place option. 2 ways to open an image. 2 ways to open an image. Okay. One is file menu, open option. One is file menu, place option. Now, when I click on file menu, new option, what will happen? I click on file menu, new option, sorry, open option. Now it will give me the open dialog box. I will select any image that I want to open and click on open. Now this image is open. In the layers panel, you will see there is only one background color, background layer, and this image is in the background. ठीक है, ये background में आ गई है हमारे पास, ये एक ही layer है, background layer, one image is there. Okay. Now if I select on place option, again open background image option is there, background dialog box is there. I can select any one, click on place. Now this image is placed over the background layer. This image is placed over the background layer. Placed. Now you can see in the layers panel, there is a background layer. There is one more layer having the new image, which I can move, which I can resize. Okay. Suppose I'm having a new file here, untitled one. This, I click on file menu, place option. I choose any picture. That picture is placed over the background layer. You can see background layer, and this image is placed over the background layer in a new layer. Got it? Open option will open the image as a background layer, but place option will place the image over the background layer. Is it clear? Yes, Lakshay, Harman, Sanya, Rudra, Jasleen, is it clear? Saksham? Okay. Coming back to that again, pictures, we are going to do the lasso tools. Okay, first I told you the lasso tool. Second is your polygonal lasso tool. Now, what will polygonal lasso tool will do? It will draw the straight lines. Like a polygon tool we use in MS Paint. Paint में जैसे MS Paint में हम polygon tool use करते थे. ठीक है? Now I'm going to, suppose I want to select this girl. I click here. Now you can see my pointer. This is still drawing the straight lines. I'm clicking here, here. It is drawing the straight line जहां जहां पे मैं click कर रही हूँ. Straight lines. Most important part in your photo editing is selection. If your selection is okay, selection is good, your editing will be okay. आपकी editing अच्छी होगी. Go back to the last point and join it here with the starting. This is your polygonal lasso tool. I can tell you in the straight this image. Click here. You will have a plain image. I'm clicking here, here, here. It is drawing the straight lines. Like this. Okay? I can use the move tool to move it. Move the selection. I can delete this area, or I can fill it with some text, gradient or texture or anything else. Okay? Clear? Polygonal lasso tool. But the mostly that we will use is that will be the magnetic lasso tool or quick selection tool. Now, what will do the magnetic lasso tool? This is the last tool that we are going today. Magnetic lasso tool will automatically stick your selection to the borders of the object. आपके object के borders के साथ automatically stick कर जाता है selection. कैसे? If I select from this thumb, ठीक है? Now you can see, as I'm moving my mouse pointer, I'm not clicking anywhere. I'm just moving the mouse pointer around the borders. My selection is automatically getting fixed. When I want to turn, I just click here and turn. Click here, turn. Now tomorrow I will tell you, sorry, next lecture I will tell you how you can change the background of the image. मुझे इस girl की background change करनी है. You can go, just move your mouse pointer around the edges. Be calm, be patiently, slowly move the pointer. जहां जहां turn करना है सिर्फ वहां click करना है. Like this, I am moving it, just moving it, moving it, moving it. It will automatically stick to the borders. I'm just moving it. It is automatically sticking to the border. I'm not clicking now. I'm just moving around it. Just come back to the first point and click. Now here also, if you select the partial area and you want to add to selection, then you can press the shift key. I told you earlier, add to selection. Click here. Now see. Now if I move it, this girl part is selected only. Now I can move it and paste it on some another background. I can change its background by pasting it in on another background, on another image. Control C. Okay? You can go to any other background. Control V. Control plus T for transforming. Now you can have it like this. Got it? Is it clear, beta? क्या किया हमने? एक पिक्चर में हमने यहाँ से ये सिलेक्शन किया, इसको कॉपी किया and go to another picture and paste it. ठीक है? Clear? So you can change the backgrounds also like this. Okay, that's all for today's class. Just revise these things. That's why I told you in the beginning, please install Photoshop. Only then you will be able to practice all these things. Okay? Try करो कि सबके पास Photoshop available हो so that you can practice it. बिल्कुल लैपटॉप पे कर सकते हैं बेटा. लैपटॉप आई एम डूइंग इट ऑन लैपटॉप.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, I'm doing it on a laptop. You can have any version. Okay? Only then you will be able to try these tools or try new things with these tools. I can tell you just the method, but further experiments you can do yourself, right? So everyone must install Photoshop on your computers. अगर हम school आ रहे होते तो that will be the different case. We can practice in lab also. But now we are not coming to school, so please install Photoshop in your computer so that you can practice it. Okay?